In chapter number 14, sources of the energy, that is in-text question of the page number 253. That is first question, that is, can any source of energy be pollution free? Why or why not? Okay. So for that, the answer that is yes, there can be source of energy that can be pollution free in using it. Okay. So for example, that is sun energy. Okay, sun's energy that is used in solar cooker, solar water heater, solar cell panel. Okay, so these are all the sources of energy. It is pollution free. Second one, that is hydrogen has been used as a rocket fuel. Would you consider it a cleaner fuel than CNG? Why or why not? So here hydrogen is a cleaner fuel, okay, than CNG. Hydrogen is a cleaner fuel as a that CNG because hydrogen on burning from water, whereas CNG that contains methane burns to produce carbon dioxide. So here hydrogen is a cleaner fuel than CNG because hydrogen on burning or the combustion from water, whereas CNG that contains methane gas, okay, it burns to produce the carbon dioxide. Now next topic, it is how long will an energy source last us? Okay, so as we discussed that is previously, we cannot be depend on the fossil fuels. Okay, like this fossil fuel like the coal, petrol, diesel. Okay, so all these all petroleum products. Okay, this is a fossil fuels. So here, that is, it is a non-renewable sources of energy. Coal, petroleum products, or that is fossil fuel. These are non-renewable sources of energy. Okay. Now, beside that, on the other side, that is, we have to manage the biomass by replacing the trees. We cut down for the firewood. Okay, and we can be used, that is assure the constant supply of energy at the particular rate, and this energy source that can be regenerated, it is known as the renewable sources of the energy. Now here, that is as you know that that is the renewable sources of the energy. There is solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, tidal energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy. All these are renewable sources of energy. Okay, so here, that is a renewable energy sources, that is renewable energy is available in our natural environment. Okay, that is sun, wind. Okay, that is tides and apes. Okay, biomass, all these are available in our natural environment. Now in the form of some continuing, that is repetitive currents of the energy, or it is stored in such large underground reservoir, and that the rate of depletion of the reservoir because of extraction of usable energy is practically negligible. So here, as you know that the solar energy, that is a renewable energy sources. Solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, tidal energy, biomass energy, geothermal energy. So all these are our natural environment. It is easily available in the environment. It is a continuing, that is form of some continuing energy. Okay. So it is stored in large underground reservoir. Okay, so that is a rate of depletion in the form of the extraction of usable energy. It is practically negligible. It is now here, that is one activity, that is 14.9. That is here debate, that is the following two issues in the class. That is first one, that is the estimated coal reserves are said to be enough to last us for the another 200 years. Do you think we need to worry about coal getting depleted in this case? Why or why not? And the second question, that is topic is, it is estimated that the sun will last for another 5 billion years. Do we have to worry about solar energy getting exhausted? Why or why not? Now, on the basis of debate, that is he debate decide which energy source can be considered exhaustible, inexhaustible, renewable, non-renewable. Okay, so give your reason for each choice. So suppose we are first we take that is first question, that is first topic. We need not, that is the estimated coal reserve are said to be enough to last us for another 200 years. Now, do you think we need to worry about coal getting depleted in this case? So, for that, we need not to worry about the coal getting depleted, and it would last for another 200 years. However, in order to generate electricity, a large number of coal is burned every day in power station to heat the water to produce steam, which further runs the turbine to generate the electricity. But we have other options too, that is water. Since the water in the reservoir would be recharged each time it rains. So, to replace the coal as a fuel, we should plant more and more trees so that we can use wood as a fuel. Okay. Now, the second topic, that is, it is estimated that the sun will last for another 5 billion years. Do we have to worry about solar energy getting exhausted? Why or why not? So, for that, we do not have to worry about the solar energy. If the sun will last for another 5 billion years, because till then, very advanced technology would be developed to trap and store the solar energy. And moreover, we will have to another options to for this purpose. Okay, so for that we do not worry about the solar energy. If the sun will last for another 5 billion years, because till then very advanced technology would be developed to trap and store the solar energy. And moreover, we will have other options to for this purpose. Now, for that is exhaustible, we consider the exhaustible, that is exhaust which are the exhaustible, that is petrol, diesel, coal. Okay, all these are the example of the exhaustible sources of energy, and as they will one day last. Now, second one, that is inexhaustible, like a sun and water. Sun and water are the example of inexhaustible sources of energy, as solar and water are the renewable. And third one, that is renewable, that is sun and water. Okay, sun and water are the renewable sources of energy, and as they are renewed. Now, next one, that is non-renewable. Non-renewable. So sun and water that are non-renewable, that is petrol, diesel, kerosene, coal. Okay, so all these are the example of the non-renewable sources of energy, and they are once used up cannot be renewed. Now, next the in-text question there will be here. Name two energy sources that you would consider to be renewable. Give reason for your choice. So, two energy sources, we take example, that is solar energy and energy from the water. Okay, so solar energy, that is it will not be exhausted. Solar energy will not get exhausted. It can be used for the multi-purpose like heating, burning, producing electricity. Okay, and it will not cause any pollution. It is pollution free, it is cheapest, and it is easily available. Okay, again I repeat, that is solar energy, that is solar energy will not get exhausted. It can be used for multi-purpose like heating, burning, and producing electricity. Solar energy will not cause any pollution. Solar energy is cheap and easily available. Now next another, that is renewable energy, that is energy from the water. So energy can be obtained from water. Energy can be obtained from the water in various forms. That is for producing electricity without pollution. Okay. Energy can be obtained from water in various forms. That is for producing electricity without pollution. And next question, that is give the names of two energy sources that you would consider to be exhaustible. Give reason for your choice. So petroleum products, that is petrol, diesel, kerosene, okay, and coal are the exhaustible sources of energy. And as they are once used up, it cannot be renewed. Okay, petroleum, that is petroleum and the coal are the exhaustible sources of energy, and as they are once used up, it cannot be renewed. Now next, that is our chapter is finished. Now we take the exercise for that, because a new chapter it will be not, we have start next time. The You give the answer, that is a solar water heater cannot be used to get hot water. So option A is sunny day, B option cloudy day, C option hot day, and D option windy day. So which is the correct? A, B, C or D? B, correct. Cloudy day, correct. Next one, that is which of the following is not an example of biomass energy sources? Wood, gobar gas, nuclear energy, coal. Which of the following is not an example of biomass energy source? Biomass. Wood, gobar gas, nuclear energy or coal? Who will give answer? Hello? Can you listen me? Hello? Yes. So which is the correct answer? Second question. No. Because this biomass and that is wood, gobar gas and coal, we can be, these are the biomass energy sources. So correct option, that is which is not an example, that is nuclear energy. Okay, answer is C, nuclear energy. Third question, most of the source of energy we use represent stored solar energy. Which of the following is not ultimately derived from the sun's energy? Geothermal energy, wind energy, nuclear energy, biomass. No, that is nuclear energy. Okay, nuclear energy. Answer is nuclear energy. The next, that is we have to compare the contrast fossil fuels and sun as direct source of energy. Okay, we have to compare, that is sun and the fossil fuels. So as you know that sun, it is a renewable source of energy. Sun does not cause the pollution. Sun is the cheapest, that is cheap, easily available for most of the time and at most of the places. While compare the fossil fuels, fossil fuels, it is a non-renewable source of energy. It causes the pollution in the environment. It is expensive, not easily available at any time and anywhere. While next question number 5, compare the context biomass and hydroelectricity as source of energy. So we have to comparison, that is biomass as energy source, hydroelectricity as energy source. Okay. So biomass, it is it causes the pollution, it is cheap and easily available. Initial cost for building the biogas plant, it is very cheap, and it is maintenance is also cheap. While hydroelectricity, it does not cause the pollution. It is expensive and not easily available. The initial cost of building the power plant is very expensive. Its maintenance is also very expensive. Okay. Then next question number 6. What are the limitations of extracting energy from the wind, waves, tides? So limitation. We discuss about the limitation of the wind, then limitation of the waves, limitation of the tides. Okay. So wind, that is, it can be extracted only limited sites. That is, wind blows from most of the time in a year, and the minimum speed of wind should be 15 km per hour. And large area is required to build the wind farm, okay, or windmills, which is very expensive affairs. And efficiency is very low, and maintenance is very high. So these are the limitation of the wind.